What's up, math scholars and math haters? This is Mr. W. Today we're going to tackle question 16 in the 6th grade math questions that North Carolina released this past school year. The question tells us that an airplane travels at a constant speed of 320 miles per hour. How far in miles will the airplane travel in 15 minutes? So to do a question like this and do it really well, you'll need to know how to make a number table and how to use a pattern and how to use multiplying and dividing patterns in that table in order to figure out what we don't know and what we're trying to find out. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate how that's done right here. I'm going to start a table, and it says 320 miles per hour, but I'm going to put miles together with minutes because that's what it's asking me to find out, how far the plane is going to travel in 15 minutes. And so if I use the information that the problem gave me, the plane is going to travel 320 miles, and if it's 1 hour is 60 minutes. And now we're trying to find out how far, so we're trying to figure this out, is it going to travel in 15 minutes. Now that I've set up my table and I know what exactly I'm trying to find, all I'm going to do now is look for a multiplying or dividing pattern as I go left or as I go down. And I think the easiest one to use in this problem is going to be an up to down pattern. And specifically, I can see that 60 divided by 4 is 15. And 320 divided by 4 will get me my answer, and whether I use that or whether I use the calculator or do this by hand or whatever, 320 divided by 4 is going to give me 80. So if it's 320 miles in 1 hour, it's going to be 80 miles in 15 minutes, because 15 minutes is a quarter of an hour, and 80 miles is a quarter of 320. And now, of course, I have to write that in my gridded response boxes, and underneath my 8, I have to find my 8 bubble. Underneath 0, I have to find my 0 bubble. So that's how we solve and answer a problem like this.